Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'll show you how to install a brand new washing machine step by step, in a way that's simple and easy to follow. So, let's get started. First, we need to carefully unbox the washing machine. After unboxing, we can move on to one of the most important steps, preparing the washing machine before installation. The first thing you should do is open the door of the washing machine. This is because, typically, the inlet hose and other small parts are packed inside the drum for transport. Just make sure to remove everything from inside. Also, be sure to remove all protective tapes from the surface of the machine. Now, this next part is very important. If your machine has yellow protective tapes at the bottom, don't skip them. Many washing machines come with packaging reinforcement underneath, and it needs to be removed before installation. I didn't show this step in the video because it requires 2 people and I was filming alone. But I did remove it before I started. Just follow the photo on screen to see how it's done. Tilt the machine backward carefully and pull the ribbon to remove the packaging reinforcement. Do not attempt this alone, always have someone help you. And after this, make a quick check by opening the filter cover to see if there are any protective tapes or similar materials that need to be removed. Once you finish those steps, turn the washing machine around so the back side is facing you. In some models, including the one I'm using here, you'll find a small bag attached to the back of the machine. This bag usually contains the user manual and other important information, so go ahead and take it. Inside the bag, you'll also find several plastic caps. These are very important because we'll need them after removing the transportation locks. Now, let's remove the transportation locks from the back of the washing machine. Use the wrench that usually comes with the machine, or another suitable tool, to loosen each of the bolts until they turn freely. Then, carefully remove them completely. After that, take the plastic covers from the user manual bag and insert them into the holes where the bolts were removed. Once you've completed those steps, the next move is to place the washing machine where it will be installed. Now, because this space is usually small and not ideal for filming, I'll connect the water inlet hose here before moving the machine into position. First, double check that you have all the included accessories. This usually means the water inlet hose, the drain hose, and the power cable. Typically, the drain hose and power cable are already integrated into the washing machine, but the inlet water hose is not. So let's attach it now. Connect the water inlet hose by aligning it with the inlet valve on the machine, then tighten the nut by hand. Never use a tool when tightening these nuts, hand tightening is enough and helps avoid damage. Once that is done, move the washing machine into the place where you intend to install it, ideally close to your water supply and drain outlet. Make sure the floor is flat and stable enough to support the machine without rocking or tipping. After connecting the inlet hose to the washing machine, now we need to connect the other end to the cold water tap. Just like before, tighten the connection by hand. Make sure it is snug, but do not over-tighten, as this could cause damage to the threads. Once connected, open the water tap fully so the water flows normally. At the same time, check carefully for any leaks around the hose connection and ensure everything is firmly secured. After installing the inlet hose, the next step is to connect the drain hose to your drainage system. This step might look simple, but there are a few very important details you need to pay close attention to. There are several ways to connect the drain hose, for example, placing it over a bathroom sink or into a standpipe. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to connect it to a drain pipe, which is a more permanent and secure solution. First, insert the drain hose into the pipe all the way in. Then, fasten it using the provided clamp or fuse. Use a screwdriver to tighten it securely so the hose doesn't come loose during operation. Now, here's something very important to keep in mind: the height of the drain hose connection. The hose must be connected at a minimum height of 40 centimeters and a maximum of 100 centimeters from the ground. This is roughly the height of a standard bathroom sink. If the hose is connected too low or too high, the machine might not drain properly or could even stop working during a wash cycle. So, after connecting both the inlet and drain hoses, but before plugging in the washing machine, we need to complete another very important step: leveling the machine. This ensures the washing machine sits evenly on the floor without any rocking. Doing this helps reduce vibrations and noise during operation, and it also ensures the machine runs smoothly over time. To level the machine, adjust the feet at the bottom. You can do this by turning each foot clockwise or counterclockwise until the machine is stable and does not move when pushed slightly. Once the machine is balanced, tighten the upper locking nuts on the feet by turning them all the way up against the base of the machine. This will lock the feet in place and prevent them from shifting during use. Take your time with this step. Proper leveling is key to a quiet and stable wash cycle. And finally, plug the washing machine into a grounded electrical outlet. Then, turn on the washing machine. Typically, after the first installation, it is recommended to run the drum cleaning program to prepare the machine before washing laundry. However, if your model does not include a drum cleaning option, simply run any short program without clothes. While the program runs, take one last look at the inlet and drain hose connections to make sure there are no leaks. And that's it, you successfully installed your washing machine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides.